The ElevenLabs SFX model just got a major upgrade. Now with increased sample rates, better prompt adherence, longer durations, and the ability to generate seamlessly loopable sounds to add texture to your scenes. So whether you're scoring a dystopian sci-fi or creating Foley for a spec ad, or sound design for a stunning beach scene, simply type out your prompt and then download and drag the generation into your favorite editing software. The world of sound design just got a powerful new tool. Try it today with ElevenLabs.